Hi, I'm Darcy Phillips with Eaton. Today at InfoComm 2024, we're showing off the brand new 8K60 HDMI AOC cable with detachable connector. This cable comes in lengths of 10, 20, 30, and 40 meters as standard lengths that are in stock today. The unique benefit with this HDMI AOC, besides from the fact that it can handle 8K60 transmission, it has this unique detachable connector. That detachable connector makes conduit pulls through 3/4 inch conduit easy as can be for those long length runs. So I'll give you a look at what that detachable connector looks like. So not only is it easier to pull through conduit for those long length video extension applications, it also makes drilling holes through conference room tables a little bit smaller and just more unique places where this cable can kind of maneuver around for your final installation. This product is available at triplight.eaton.com. Thank you.